Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is KaminX Gas Universal Gas Store for outdoor uses. So during the traveling perspective, we are purchasing this one. This gas price is a 200 Danish krona. We extra purchase the gas tank. This one is just 39 Danish krona. Now we will do unboxing. So inside the box we receive magic booklet how to use this one. You should watch my video and accordingly you can very easily learn how to use it. And even we are making today Desi Indian chai as well. So this is our gas. It's really nice quality. Always you should carry like this. Put it this box and put it in your car. So now how to fix it, and here you can fix like this. It's very easy. You just simply put it here and this lock, and here the lock and unlock is available. Always you should unlock this one and then fully lock. So look at this here. If I fully lock, so this one is fully jammed. It's very easy, and now it's done. Now, so if you purchase this gas, so look at this outside there is the sea, and look at this, the Desi Indian chai.